Buckle up and be safe. A book about road safety. What do you mean road safety?
You can read it and you can understand what's about the road safety in the book, okay?
Buckle up and be safe. The way goes several. I'm Anthony.
Anthony.
I'm Anthony. I am Emma. I am Lucky. I am Simon. We are the Wiggles, and we are here to help.
Who's your favorite wiggle?
Emma. Today the Wiggles are practicing road safety. See, someone scribbled. Mom. Emma, Simon, and Lucky are getting ready to go for a drive in the big red car. Oopsie, someone scribbled.
Yeah, I can see that.
The Wiggles put on the seatbelts. They make sure that the seatbelt straps are tight and straight with no twists. Lucky and Simon are sitting in the back seat. They are very good. They did not run out of the car while it is moving. Emma drives onto the main road. She stopped at the red traffic light. Red means stop. Yellow means slow down and get ready to stop. Green means go. Stop, slow down, go. She waits until the light turns green. Now it is time to go. Andy and Wags are going to cross the road. They wait for the traffic to stop. The crossing lady blows her whistle. That means it is safe to walk. Anthony and Wags hold hands, look both ways, and then cross the road to the park. Road rules keep everyone safe. Practice following the road rules. 1. Uno. Make sure your seatbelt is on with the stop started straight. Doors. Do not open the window doors while the car is moving. Yes. Hold hands. Look both ways and wait for the traffic to stop before crossing the road.